Today, I'm diving deep into the chicken industry to uncover the truth about what's really going on. Can I find out what you need to know? Chicken is one of the most consumed meats worldwide, and its popularity isn't showing signs of waning. But behind its widespread appeal lies a complex web of production methods, health concerns, and controversies. Chicken production has evolved significantly over the years, with a strong focus on efficiency and cost-effectiveness. This often involves large-scale farming operations, where chickens are raised in crowded conditions and fed a diet that may include antibiotics to promote growth. However, these practices have raised concerns about animal welfare, the spread of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, and the impact on human health. Let's talk about some recent developments in the chicken industry. There have been several high-profile recalls due to contamination concerns and changes in policy aimed at improving safety and transparency. For instance, some countries have implemented stricter regulations on antibiotic use in farming. These changes reflect a growing awareness of the need for more sustainable and responsible practices. The impact of these developments on consumers is significant. With growing concerns about health and sustainability, many are looking for alternatives to traditional chicken products. This shift in consumer demand is driving innovation in the industry, with more companies offering organic, free-range, and plant-based options. Farmers are also feeling the effects as they adapt to new regulations and market trends. The environmental implications of the chicken industry are substantial. From feed production to manure management, the industry's ecological footprint is considerable. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, there's increasing pressure on the industry to adopt greener practices. This could involve changes in feed sourcing, waste management, and farming techniques. According to a leading expert in poultry health, the chicken industry is at a crossroads. We need to balance the demand for affordable protein with the need for sustainable and humane practices. This sentiment is echoed by many in the industry who are calling for change. To sum it up, the chicken industry is complex and multifaceted. From production methods to consumer trends, there are many factors at play. Being informed about these issues is crucial for making conscious choices about the food we eat. If you care about where your food comes from and want to make informed choices, share your thoughts in the comments below. For more insights on sustainable food systems, check out my next video on the future of plant-based eating.